Good morning, students. Yes, how are you? Okay, I am also fine. So, today we want to discuss about continuity and differentiability. Already we have studied in a previous class the continuous of a functions. What are the continuous of functions? And what are the discontinuous of the functions, and what is the relations between a and b, and find the value of k, just like. So some examples we find regarding in exercise also, so that today according to the function of differentiability we solve some problems regarding the differentiability. We know differentiability, and also it is called as a differentiation. In a differentiation, we denoted here d by dx or dy by dx. This is dependent, independent variables. Dependent variables with respect to independent variables. This is called as differentiation, we say. Already we know. So today, just we might be understand how to find differentiation. Suppose we know differentiation of x raised to n is equals n into x raised to n minus 1, where n is not equal to 0. This is the one function. This is already we in PUC plus T. Yes, in this differentiation function, this like. So this is standard formula to find the differential functions. With the help of this, we solve so many problems regarding this one. Already you know. So, okay. So that same way I find in trigonometric functions, polynomial functions, exponential functions, logarithm functions, this like. Suppose I write it, same thing. I write it. What is the differentiation of x square? Same problem. According to the using this formula, we find where n is there, we substitute 2. It means 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1. That is 2 into x. It means differentiation of x square is 2x. Similarly, differentiation of x5 is 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1 is equals 5 into x raised to 4. Same way we find x raised to 10, x raised to 5, this like single function, double function, constant functions also. See, already we know differentiation of constant function is 0. Differentiation of constant is always 0, just to understand. So that I ask you, what is the differentiation of x raised to 6? Just minus power is always 1. How much power is there? 6. Minus 1 means 5. It means so that 5 into x raised to 6 into x raised to 5. Simple. Same way you find n terms also. Regarding this one, shall I explain this? Okay. Regarding this one, we find composite function, single function, addition of function, subtraction function. Suppose I ask you, y is equals 2x square plus 3x plus 4. 3 functions are there. Differentiate with respect to x. Simply differentiate with respect to x. He asks a question. Say 1. Find 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Differentiate with respect to x. Or differentiate with respect to x by f of x or y. This like f of x is same. F of x is same and y is also same. These are the functions. So according to this way, how could we solve? Just see. Solution. First to take y is equals 2x square plus 3x plus 4. What is the differentiate? Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate what? With respect to x. So that this is called dy by dx is equals 2 into x square. Just to put here, write it. What is x square? Same formula is there here. Differentiation of x raised to n is equals n into x raised to n minus 1. This formula you use here. That is 2 into x raised to 1. It means 2x directly. Plus 3 into what is difference x? Differentiation of x is 1. Plus constant is always 0. Are you following this one? Yes, simple ways. Once again I tell you. 2x square plus 3x plus 4 functions. Dy by dx with respect to x. Sometime we find with respect to y also. No doubt at all. Okay. So that is 2 into differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 3x is 3 into 1. Plus differentiation of constant is 0. It may be 2, 3, 4, 10, 100, t, f, this like. What are the constants are there? Those are in differentiation zeros. Just to follow. Okay? Yes. What is the answer? That is 2 2s are 4x plus 3. So that the differentiation of 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is 4x plus 3. Simple, very simple this is. Okay? Are you following? Yes. Next, I come to find important problems in trigonometric problems. Composite functions. What are the composite functions? The two functions are mixed, including those are called as composite functions. Okay? Yes. Another example I take. Differentiate with respect to x. Simple. Differentiate what? Differentiate with respect to x. Sine of cos x. It is your composite function. In a different textbooks, they have used different symbols. You don't think about symbols. The method is very important. With the help of your perfect method, easy method, just you solve, no doubt at all. You get marks. Don't confuse it. Oh, this symbol in this textbook is this symbol. Another textbook is this line. The NCERT is this line. Don't think about it. What are the easy methods you follow and solve it? No doubt at all. Yes? Okay? Yes. Now I write solution. Y is equals sine of cos x. See, in a chain rule is there in your textbook, and direct method is there also you know. Which method is very easy to you people? Yes, direct method is very easy. You use direct method to solve this one. No doubt at all. Okay? So, I use direct method. Differentiate with respect to x. Simple. That means dy by dx is equals direct. See, already we know trigonometric functions. What is sin x differentiation? Cos x. What is cos x? Minus sin x. What is sec x? Sorry, what is tan x? Sec square x. What is cot x? Minus cosec square x. So these trigonometric differentiation functions already we know. Yes, with the help of this one we find it. See, composite function, how we could find. Differentiation of sine is cos. Cos of cos x into differentiation of cos x. Just you understand. Just you understand. What is the confuse? See, composite function means first differentiation of sin x is cos x. Cos of cos x. Then differentiation of in this bracket. This like you find. Simply another direct method is there. Directly you solve it is also possible, no doubt. I write this steps. Differentiation of sin is cos. So cos of cos x. And differentiation of cos x. Composite function. This is just to find. So that is equals cos of cos x into what is differentiation of cos minus sin. Minus sin x. I think you are following this one. Yes, yes. Shall I write next? That is equals minus sin x into cos of cos x. So this is dy by dx. Very important. Yes, right? Okay. Then similarly, another problem. Shall I take this? Okay. Similar problems. Just to see. Just to see. See, differentiate with respect to x. Cos of sin x. Anybody else? Yes? Anybody else? Okay. See, same problem, same method. Y is equals cos of sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx, right? Then what you say? What is differentiation cos minus sin? Minus sin of sin x into differentiation of what? Sin x. Okay? Yes. That is equals minus sin of sin x. What is difference sin x? Cos x. You write this one. It is also possible, no doubt. Therefore, dy by dx is equals this. Okay, friends? Yes? Simple. Shall we find out other examples? Yes? Okay. Very simple method to use to find the trigonometric functions. So, he asks the question in question paper. Differentiate with respect to x of cos of root x. Cos of root x. Yes, very simple. See, cos of root x. What is root x? 1 upon 2 root x. Simply 1 upon 2 root x. Just function. Simple. So, I write here that is okay. Solution. Y is equals cos of root x. This is composite function. Okay? Yes. Differentiate with respect to x. See, dy by dx is equals, what is that? Dy by dx is equals, what is differentiation of cos x? Minus sine of root x into differentiation of root x. Simple. Simple ways. Minus sine of root x into differentiation of root x. So that is equals minus sine of root x into what is differentiation of root x? You use this formula, you get answer, no doubt. So 1 divided by 2 root x. I know already. Yes, you also you know what are the algebraic functions in differentiations, no doubt. So similarly, you write another steps. So minus sine root x. This is sine root x divided by 2 root x. This is called dy by dx. These are composite functions. These are what? Composite functions. You use composite functions in a direct method also, no doubt. Otherwise, you don't know. This method means you may use chain rule, no doubt. What is chain rule? So dy by dx is equals du by dx, yes, into dx by dy by dx, or df by dx is equals df by det into dt by dx. Same, no doubt. Use different symbols also. Suppose sometime you use this way in chain rule. What you use? F is equals df by dx is equals df by dt into dt by dx. See, this way. Those functions are with respect to x, with respect to t also, no doubt. You use any other trigonometric functions, any symbols or changes, but answer is not changing. Which one is easy method? Such method you use and solve it, no doubt at all. Okay, suppose sometime in addition of two functions, subtraction of two functions, those divisions, quotients, product rule we use. So here we use some rules to find out the differentiation. Just to say I write one du by dx. Suppose differentiation of u plus or minus v. It means what? It means what? It means product and difference. Suppose you use sum and difference. Suppose you use sum, you may use plus sign. Suppose you may use difference, you use what? Negative signs. Okay, subtractions, minus. So I write, say du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. This is called sum and difference rule. What is that? Sum and difference rule. Then another rule. Differentiation of uv. Is what is it? See, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. You use any other u first or v first or v second, this way. So sometimes we use v into du by dx. Suppose we use say this way also, v into du by dx. Then what you say? This is u into dv by dx. This is also called as, what is that? Product rule. This is product. That is, what you say? That is called sum and difference rule. Another one is there. Differentiation of u by v equals what? Yes. What? Denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator, differentiation of the denominator divided by denominator square. This is called quotient. Okay, so students, these rules are very important to find another 4 marks, 5 marks questions to find in examinations. Okay, so you remember this formula. We find with help of this formula certain examples, right? So that, dear student, in differential calculus, we hope we get more marks in this differentiation, because differentiation is the heart of the mathematics. Okay, just you know differentiation, it is helpful to the application of the next class, future class. You go to the engineering, so you may help this one, architecture this like. Okay, so differential functions and trigonometric functions are very important functions in the PUC secondary mathematics. Okay, friends. Oh, then next class I solved another different problems regarding with the help of these, what are those, these formula, right? So any doubts means just to ask to me, and you contact with the help by my WhatsApp group also, and also phone call it may be. Yes, I will help you people, no doubt. Anytime you ask me, students, I will help you. Any different problems and difficulties to solve in the exercise also and question paper also in practicing time, better to contact me, and also use my YouTube police patil 513 at gmail.com also. You use that one. Also Pasangoda police patil. It is my YouTube channel. So you subscribe and share it, and also you get it the different solutions of this problem. Okay, today I conclude my points, my classes. Next I go to the higher order differentiation. Higher order differentiation means deepest problem I will solve. Okay, I hope you take useful from this class. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much.